Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So we got something really cool in the mail today. Evolution Tools sent us this. Evolution Tools is one of our sponsors, and they also sent us that saw a while back, and they have some really nice equipment and tools. And I had some other holes over there to drill in the welding table, and they went and sent a mag drill. So I'm gonna get this thing opened up and check it out. Well, it comes in a really nice case. Plastic locks and all that. EvolutionPowerTools.com. They have some great stuff though. I know the saw that they sent me is amazing. Sweet. I like how they have the holders and everything set up. You got your instructions right here. Here's your the guard, the drill. This is your oil or your soluble water setup that they have. It's a, I forget what it's called, but here's a bit. And there's plenty of spots in here where you can put other bits and tools and whatever. So that makes it nice. I mean, I imagine you can even wrap up a cord in this this setup here. But yeah, this is really neat. It's nice that they sent this to me. Evolution Saw, thank you so much. So in the video, I keep saying saw. I don't know why, but it's not a saw, it's a drill. It's a magnetic drill or a mag drill. Excuse me. So anyways, you have these three handles. You pop those out of there, out of the kit, out of the box, the storage container, whatever you want to call it. These screw in here. And then you have your up and down. And they really thought this one out. Right here on the side of the machine. It's reverse threads, by the way. You have that, and you can loosen or whatever to bring this up or down, but you also have up or down here. So you know, it gives you a huge travel on that drill. And then you have a regular style drill chuck with a key, and the key is right here. Probably can't see that in the video too much. You have some tools, some Allen wrenches, some fittings. This right here is the most important thing. This is a strap when you're on a beam or a wall or on a building or up underneath a truck frame. Strap the damn thing on so that you don't drop it on your freaking head when some dumbass unplugs a cord. It's happened to us. I was working in California, and we were about a story and a half up, and some idiot come along and he unplugged the cord. Well, this thing, we told him 100 times, have it strapped to the wall, strap it to the beam with that strap. And what happened is it fell and it smashed all over the floor. And the boss, the foreman, he was not real happy. So this is Lennox. This is the style of cutting fluid. It's Pro Tool Lube. This is the cutting fluid that I use, I prefer. And it's a water soluble. So it's like, you know, safe for the environment and all that happy crap. But the other thing that Evolution did on their mag drills, I thought was real smart. There's no accidental turn on. You can't turn the machine on when it's plugged in until you turn the magnet on first. So you have the magnet, which also powers your drill feed. So I'll go ahead and turn the magnet on. And the magnet's on now. You can actually see the whole table moving. Like, you can't get that thing off if you wanted to. So I don't know what the rating is on this thing as far as the hold down. And then once you have that switch here on, there's a fuse here too. So I guess if it kicks a breaker or whatever, a fuse, then I just learned that too. But anyways, you turn this on and it'll turn on the drill. You have your instructions here. This is the Evo Mag 42 S28 MAG. And this is all, you know, you can get some parts out of here if you need from Evolution. And like I said, Evolution Tools, they make some really high quality stuff. EvolutionPowerTools.com, go check them out. And I like how they give you little containers like this in here to hold all your stuff, so it's not all over inside the box, the storage box. This right here is, I believe this is, I'll have to look it up, but I believe this is the, goes right here somewhere, and that's the guard, but I'll look that up later. You will be seeing this in some videos. I want to make this a short video because I got a lot of stuff going on right now. This will be a just quick, fast, hurry video today, and I'm gonna get out of here. But go check out Evolution Tools. They have some amazing equipment, and their saw, there, the magnet just shut off because I shut it off, so it finally let go. Their saw that they sent me is really cool. So here is the numbers and model and everything on this saw here, if you guys are interested. and this is that button I was talking about where you can adjust the drill up and down, and then plus you have the handles here to go up and down. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching. I will try to put the link or something down below for Evolution Tools and their tags and hashtags and all that crap. But I do believe in their products. They take care of us in the shop, and you guys know that I do an honest review, so you will be watching some other videos with this in the videos, and we'll be drilling some holes and car frames and just all kinds of stuff. So keep an eye out for that. Go check out Evolution Tools, and I appreciate you guys watching. Later.